Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix common errors in Reddit. In order to fix common error in Reddit, you need to follow the steps. First thing first, what you want to do is you could try restarting. So hold on to your side button and then click on the restart button. That should be able to fix common error in Reddit. Next, what you could actually do is if the issue still persists on, you could also make sure to open up your Reddit on your device, or you could do is simply open up settings on your device and then go to app section from the list, or you could just go to see all apps here and then click on Reddit, and you want to make sure to go and click on storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. That might also be able to help. If the issue still persists on despite that, you could go ahead and check your update as well. Sometimes it could be due to the updated version. On the search bar, type in Reddit and check whether the app can be fixed, updating it or not. If nothing works out, then you need to understand that there's an issue with the internet. You could also try restarting your internet or restarting your router or modem. That might be able to solve your issue. So these are some of the ways you could fix common error in Reddit. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.